Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I'm gonna talk about does it make a trans woman like not a trans woman if she keeps her penis? Basically, that's what I'm gonna say. Let's get into it because I have a lot to say about that. Yeah, so before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help your girl out. So let's get started. Okay, so there was a comment made on my post, and I respect everyone's, opinion. Everyone has, the right to say what they want, Um, but this person had put like, oh, this trans person still has a, eggplant, and this person had created a family and everything like that. So this person had left a comment saying like that person is not trans. Like if you have male genitalia, then and you use it like a man and have kids and all that, then you're not trans. So I have a lot to say about that. So Blair White, Gigi Gorgeous, they're very internet famous transgender females on here, very beautiful. They still have their male genitalia. A lot of it was because they're scared of the surgery. Like having a vagina is female genitalia. It's a lot of work. You gotta make sure it's clean. Um, you're prone to UTIs. You have to dilate, especially if you're really busy. I mean, I don't recommend getting the surgery if you're not going to make time to dilate. That takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time out of my day. So, also too, like having, having sex, you know, um, sometimes depending on if the surgeon did a good job or not, it can cause pain. It may not be as pleasurable. Even people are scared of losing sensation down there. Luckily for me, like my surgeon did a good job, so like everything works down there. So my thing is, my belief, you know, a lot of girls, don't have the money to get the surgery. Number one. Number two, some of them maybe have the money, but they're scared of the surgery and they're scared of losing sensation, or they're scared of like, just going through this procedure. You know what I'm saying? Um, and I feel like too, like if a trans woman like tops like in the bedroom and stuff like that, that's her business. Okay, like if she got it, I mean, it just depends on what you're comfortable with. But if you truly feel and believe that you are female, because I mean, there's butch lesbians out there that be putting on a slip on and all that and pegging, you know what I'm saying? Does that make them not biologically a woman? Does that make them a man? You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, but I mean, at the end of the day, like Blair White, she presents herself as female. She acts as a female. It's just, she has a male genitalia there. So does that make, I don't see her as a man. I don't see nothing on her that's masculine, Um, and for the trans women out there that do like, you know, they end up having a family and all that, and then they choose to transition afterwards, let's try and not judge, because it's like, you don't know what they went through. You don't know if like maybe they, there's time, like I didn't realize I was transgender until I was 18, until I went to an LGBT center, and they talked about what each letter was, and transgender was exactly, she described, when she described the T in the LGBT spectrum, that was me. Like instantly a light bulb had went off, like ding dong, like so, a lot of people, I just think like a lot of people aren't educated, about it at that time. And a lot of it too is like maybe they, you think like they don't want to believe like, oh, I am trans, like, so it's like, let me just start a family, let me just do what I do, and there's a lot of transgender women anyways that are lesbian, so they end up wanting to be with a girl. So it's just my personal belief is if you believe you're transgender and you believe you're a woman, if you keep your male genitalia or not, that is between you and your partner. You know, I don't think it makes a woman any less of a man, because I was in, unfortunately, I've never was the type to peg a guy. That wasn't me, that's just something I didn't felt comfortable with. But I mean, that's me. But there's other girls that are comfortable doing that, especially if it's someone that you really love and stuff like that. So, I don't know. I just feel like I hope it's not like a rant or anything, but this is kind of like my opinion. I've been down this road. Like, even Gigi Gorgeous, like, she is a beautiful woman. She still has her male genitalia, and her partner is a trans man now, but I'm pretty sure he still has his female genitalia. So I'm pretty sure Gigi throw it down on, Nats. So, I mean, does that make her a man? Like, it's just, if that's how they feel comfortable, doing it, then that's them. I don't see them any less of a man, or I don't see them any less of a woman. Sorry. So that's just my personal opinion about it. I remember my family, they were like, with me when I was going through my transition, they were like, oh, maybe if you get with like a butch woman, like, I think you'll be still considered straight. And I'm like, what? I just told you, like, identify as female and I'm attracted to straight men. Like, what are you talking about? And they're like, well, I mean, I don't know. I said, I'm attracted to trans men, like women that transition into men, like Laith Ashley. Like, I keep using that as an example because he is gorgeous, fine. I said, I'm attracted to him. And I even showed her a picture, everything of him. And I was like, does that make me straight? Since he was born a woman and I was born a male. And then my aunt just was quiet and she was like, I don't know. She didn't even know. She was so confused. So that's what I'm saying. So, you know, I always try to be open minded. I always, try to, but now I feel like if you made a family, right, and you say that you're a trans woman, all that, but if you're sitting here acting like a man, like, I don't know, like, just like your mannerisms, like everything manly, deep voice, all of that, like, then I don't know. I'm gonna look at you. I would have been like, maybe you're like pansexual, maybe. I don't know. Or maybe you're just very masculine girl. I don't know. But um I don't know. But that's just me. But anyways, but I basically wanted to make this video to give you like my opinion about it, because I know like a lot of people are like hush hush about that. They don't really speak on stuff like that. But that's just my personal opinion on it. But don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical.